Hey guys, I'm Christine, and during the coronavirus pandemic, I'm trying to do my small part and help out some small businesses here in the South Bay area in Southern California. Right now, my husband and I are on our way to pick up some food from our friend Casey. He owns a catering business and says his business has been so slow lately due to COVID-19. So I wanted to share his story with you.
I've been cooking over 35 years, and the last roughly decade I've been doing catering. I'm at Happy's in the kitchen. You don't cook from here, you cook from the heart. And once you cook from the heart, it shows in your cooking. It's a passion. I take pride in what I do, and it'll show in my food I serve.
This COVID-19 has really affected your business.
It shut it down. It shut it down completely. I haven't had a job since early March. People aren't spending the money, they're out of work. There's 2 million people out of work in California. People have to eat, but they don't have to have someone like me making it for them.
How difficult has it been?
It's a good thing my wife works and has a full-time job, and I have a farm too with my family, and so that helps supplement what I'm missing now. But COVID-19 has really set this world upside down.
How have you been emotionally since then, just processing all of these sudden changes?
Emotionally, it's terrible because I can't do activities outside. I can't go golfing. I can't go to the gym. It took my life from here down to ground zero. And it's going to be interesting to see what happens when this goes away little by little, and we'll see where people go if I get any business back.
So we were supposed to get together for dinner tonight, but we're taking out food from you today, and you wanted to give us a taste of what it is that you love to do.
Yeah, I did a shrimp, chicken, and Italian sausage jambalaya. Then I also made chicken marsala with a mushroom rice. I made a macaroni and cheese. This is just small examples of what I can do. I love cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I love cooking different ethnic foods.
How important is it that you continue to cook during this time? You said it's your happy place. The less orders you get for these catering events, the less you get to spend time in the kitchen making food for these people. So how important is it to keep cooking for you?
Oh, it's very important. If I don't cook for a couple of weeks, I'm not going to forget what I do. However, I hope that's not the case. And if I get the business from this, it's great. I'll cook every day. I'll cook 8 days a week if need be, and I enjoy it.
How important is it that we support our local businesses?
It's everything. Support your local businesses because they're there to serve you and help make your life easier.
Well, thank you, Casey. We're so excited to try your food. Should we dig in, honey? The adult mac and cheese. It tastes rich.
Yeah, it's really good.
It doesn't taste like the one out of the box that I cooked.
Jambalaya is really good.
I love jambalaya. Casey's cooking tastes like home cooking, but a few notches up from what I could make because I don't possess many culinary skills, right, honey? This garlic bread smelled so good. It's crispy on the top. It's got a combination of things, not just garlic. Maybe some tomato sauce?
I don't know. It's really good, though. Yeah, it's really good.
He said the hummus, Casey also makes his hummus. Everything is really good. If we want to reorder something, what's the one that you like the best?
It might be the jambalaya.
Mine too. Jambalaya is our favorite. So I hope this gives you a good look and taste of what Casey's food is like. If you'd like to order from him, I'm going to list his contact information so you can do that. I am so happy that we have days worth of good quality food now. Thank you, Casey, for feeding us. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are staying safe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.